Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess if you're new. Hi, I'm Jess. Today I'm excited because I'm filming another W7 product review. This is the W7 Glow for Glory highlighting palette. Like, how cute is that packaging? I'm all about highlighter. Love me a good highlighter. W7 do some really good highlighters. I'm going to give you my thoughts on this, so let's do this, shall we? I actually picked up this palette a while ago. Like, I've had this palette for a while, but I wanted to do this review because I absolutely love it. Comes with a really good mirror. And this is what the insides look like, without trying to blind you. Some really pretty shades. This is still available on Chemist warehouse and online at least, and I believe it's only $4. I actually paid $5 when I first got this and thought that was a bargain, but for $4 you get 6 highlighter shades. It would work around so many different skin tones, and you can also use different shades as an eyeshadow shade as well. So it's a multitasking palette, which I am all about. Most of these shades are quite glittery, so if you don't like glittery highlighter, you won't like this palette, but I do like a good glitter highlighter because I just love me some sparkle. So we're going to test out that really pretty shade right there. It's a really pretty champagne gold color. I believe that you could build this up really nicely. Like, look at that. That is stunning. Really pretty, especially for us fairer girls, because some of the shades could be too dark, but as I said, you can use them as eyeshadow. I'm going to take this shade at the end. I just used that shade on my other cheek. I'm going to put this one on my other cheek, clean off the brush. Like, they're such pretty highlighters. And all I do is just buff it into the skin. So pretty. I might even amplify it a little bit by making the brush wet, just to see how that goes. Oh, there we are. Like, for a $5 palette, they just look wet on the skin, like they're gorgeous. Now I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going to dip into that shade there. Just to brighten up the eyeshadow look. Gives it a nice pretty sheen. And then to try out a different shade, I'm going to try this peachy one on my cheeks as kind of a topper. You can see that just gives it more dimension. That's really pretty. And I'll do the other shade on the other side. This one's slightly more gold than the peachy one. They just build up so well. For a $5 highlighter palette, it's one of my favorites. Alright, so for the tip of my nose, what one haven't I used yet? I haven't used this gold one, but I don't particularly want the gold one. Oh no, it could work. Okay, I'm gonna take this gold one. Could work. Maybe not. I think that one's slightly too dark for me. It just looks like that wet skin highlighter. You can't really see it straight on, which is what you want, but on the side, beautiful. I have the shades swatched on my hands. And as you can see on my face, they perform really well and they're super creamy and blend super easily. Like, look how reflective they are, and after I said that they're glittery, they're actually not that glittery. So pretty. One of the best budget highlighter palettes I think that will work just like a high end. I have Ofra, pretty similar to the Ofra, no, not the formula, but definitely that blinding finish. Like, these highlighters are just amazing and super cute packaging. I'm extremely happy with this little palette. Like, it's definitely one of those hidden gems that aren't really even talked about that much. You guys know by now I love a good face palette, especially a highlighter palette, and especially one that's on a budget. And for $5 or $4 now, I mean, can you get anything better for $4? I don't think so. I'm trying to work out the gram of it. Total net weight, you get 4 grams of product, but that basically works out to be $1 per gram for that little palette, which I think is a pretty good deal. Let me know in the comments if you're going to pick anything up, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.